Yo, what's up? Okay, the reason I'm doing this video is because I have few friends been asking me how do I actually did this photo of me look like quadruplets and we doing a staff meeting, but actually it's not actually, it's not just for fun. And at the same time, I'm going to teach you actually just by using your smartphone. Any smartphone will do as long as you have this app called PicsArt, and of course this stand for your phone, so that if you don't have anybody to help you to take photo, but which is better if you have a stand, a tripod, okay, whereby you can actually take multiple photos at one spot and you can't move the camera around because it will distort the picture that you want to have the look of. You have multiple person in one photo. So yeah, so let's check it out. How do I actually do this editing just using your smartphone? Alright, let's check it out.